This time we are going to learn range and domain of a function. Okay, consider we have a function g of t that is 2t square plus 1 and the interval is given -2 less than is equal to t less than is equal to 2. This is function and this is your given interval. So the first question is, what is domain of the function? This interval given is simply the domain of this given function. What is the domain? All the input numbers x that a function can process are collectively called the function's domain. Or you can simply say that all the inputs to a function are known as domain of a function. These inputs or these intervals are found on the only x-axis. And what is range? All the output of the function that are found on the y-axis after putting these domain values in the function are known as range of the function. So simply we can write the domain is -2 less than is equal to t less than is equal to plus 2. It means any value between -2 and +2 is the domain of this function. Okay ji, the next plot. What is the graph or plot of this function? We have these values -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. We have to plot graph on these value of the function. Now g of -2, that will be 2 into -2 square plus 1. This is 2 into 4 plus 1, that will be 9. Now g of -1, 2 into -1 square plus 1, that will be 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Now g of 0, this will be 2 into 0 square plus 1, that will be 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And now g of 1, 2 into 1 square plus 1, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. G of 2 will be 2 into 2 square plus 1, that will be 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So now we have got these 5 values on the domain. We will plot all these values on a graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. When we put -2, this is our input, we got the output 9. This is our x value and this is our y value. So this is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1 and 2. On the graph we can say like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and say this is number 9. So first point is minus 2 and 9. X is minus 2. This is first point, and this is